Hi everyone, it's Marky. I just wanted to tell you about these Coogam Halloween bat decorations. So these are made of a really light plastic, and then you can just use them to decorate your walls, your cabinets, pretty much anywhere, mirrors, anywhere you could stick them to a surface, your outside doors. They are just so cute and so fun. They come in a 60 count, so you get a bunch of them, and there's all different sizes. So you get 4 different sizes, and they are just so cute to decorate. I have used them multiple years, really easy to remove and to apply. And you can do so many different like little patterns, put them so many different places just to kind of give your spooky little vibe for Halloween. They do come with this adhesive pack right here. They're just little perforated strips, and then you just stick them right on the back of the bat and then peel off the little protective layer, and they stick really well. So super cute. I love that they're like 3-dimensional. You can take the wings, they're perforated, and you just fold them up a little bit, and then it looks more, I don't know, dimensional, I guess. So then they look more like they're sticking off the wall and kind of flying. I just think they're cute, such a fun activity. It's fun for my kids to be able to put them all over for Halloween too. I just think that they're really awesome. So if you are looking for some fun Halloween decorations that are super easy but still super cool, I would highly recommend you look into these. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.